Most nights at sea are quiet. The ship moves steadily through the darkness, surrounded by nothing but open water. Deep inside the ship, the night watch continues as it always does. The crew is tired but trained. Every sailor knows his station. Every sailor knows his responsibility. At 2:17 in the morning, everything appears completely normal. Then something changes. A warning appears on the sailor's screen. He checks it again. Something doesn't seem right. Before he can understand what is happening, every light on the ship suddenly goes out. The screens disappear. The room falls completely dark. For a few seconds, nobody knows what happened. Then the emergency lights come on, covering the corridors. Sailors immediately begin moving toward their assigned stations. There is confusion, but there is no time for panic. The officers remain calm and begin giving clear instructions. The young sailor moves quickly through the corridor, focused on reaching his station. Outside, the ocean is becoming rougher. Inside, the crew is facing another challenge. The systems they normally depend on are unavailable, so they turn to backup equipment, manual procedures, and the training they have practiced again. The sailor checks his equipment carefully. Nearby, a younger sailor begins to lose focus under the pressure. The lead sailor notices him. He steps closer and calmly says, "Stay with your team. Stay focused." One step at a time, the lead sailor does the same. He follows each procedure carefully. He checks every connection. He communicates with the sailors around him. Nobody knows how long the blackout will last. Then another backup system fails. The pressure increases. The ship rolls harder through the waves. But the crew keeps working. The lead sailor gathers his teammates and helps organize their tasks. He doesn't need to be the loudest person in the room. He simply needs to keep his team moving. Then suddenly one display flickers back to life. The first system has returned. Another system follows. Then another. Slowly the darkness begins to disappear. The normal lights finally return, and the crew takes a quiet breath. By morning, the sea has become calmer. The sailor stands alone on the deck and watches the sunrise. After everything that happened, he understands something important. Training isn't built for easy days. It's built for moments when everything goes wrong. When the lights go out, you don't rise to the level of your fear. You fall back on the discipline you built before the crisis ever came. If this story resonates with you, subscribe, like, and share. On this channel, we honor and support the men and women serving around the world, those who choose to serve their country and give their best every day.